Ever wondered how motors control speed or LEDs control brightness? It's all done using PWM, pulse width modulation. Today I'll show you how to generate PWM using 8051 microcontroller. What is PWM? PWM means turning a signal on and off very fast. Instead of changing voltage, we change on time. More on time equals more power. Less on time equals less power. Duty cycle is the percentage of on time. 25% low power, 50% medium power, 75% high power. Formula: duty cycle percent equals on time / total time times 100. Why 8051 has no PWM? 8051 does not have built-in PWM. So we create PWM using timer plus software. Timer used. We use timer 0, mode 1, 16-bit timer. Timer gives delay. Delay controls on and off time. On plus off equals 1 PWM cycle. In this is small example for give an idea about PWM. Let's start with the first line of the program. OR G0000H. RG means origin. 0000H is the starting memory address. When the 8051 microcontroller is powered on or reset, the program counter automatically starts from address 0000H. OR G0000H tells the microcontroller, start executing my program from this address. This is why almost every 8051 program begins with OR G0000H. Main program loop main. Set BP 1.0. PWM on. A call delay. Set BP 1.0. Sets port 1 bit 0 to high. Output becomes on. PWM signal goes high. A call delay. Calls the on-time delay subroutine. CLRP 1.0. PWM off. Call delay. CLRP 1.0. Clears port 1 bit 0. Output becomes low. PWM signal goes off. Call delay. Calls the off-time delay subroutine. Jump main. Jumps back to main. Creates an infinite loop. Continuous PWM waveform is generated. On-time delay explanation. Delay on. OVT mod. Hashtag 01H. Timer 0 is selected. Mode 1. 16-bit timer mode. Urge 0. Hashtag 0FCH. MOVTL 0. Hashtag 018H. These values load the starting count of timer 0. They decide how long the on-time lasts. Set BTR 0. Starts timer 0. Wait 1. JNBTF 0 wait 1. The CPU waits here until timer overflow. TF0 equals 1. CLRTR 0. FLRTF 0. Wet. Timer stop. Returns to main program. Off-time delay explanation. Delay off. Move 0. Hashtag 0F8H. Move TL 0. Hashtag 030H. Different timer values. This creates a different off-time. Real applications. DC motor speed control. LED brightness control. Fan control. Power control circuits. That's how you generate a basic PWM signal using 8051. We've seen the on and off times and how it controls power. In the next video, we will calculate the duty cycle mathematically and show how to set it exactly for LEDs, motors, and fans. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to watch the next PWM tutorial.